Welcome to Parsimony, where managing your stock efficiently is just a few clicks away. In this video, we will walk you through the process of creating a delivery trip step by step, ensuring that your goods reach their destination without a hitch. To begin, navigate to the stock module dashboard by clicking on the stock icon on the main menu. Here, you can oversee all your stock-related activities in one place. Next, let's create a delivery trip. Click on Delivery Trip under Stock Transactions to initiate the process. To create a new delivery trip, click on the Add Delivery Trip button at the top right corner of the screen. This will prompt a new form where you can enter trip details. Fill in the required details for the delivery trip, such as the assigned company who will handle the trip. For the delivery details, select a driver. Select the vehicle to be used for transportation. Specify the departure date and time. In the delivery stop, select the customer receiving the goods. Specify the expected arrival date and time to ensure timely delivery scheduling. This will help in effective planning and coordination. Once all the details are filled in, click on Save and Submit button to finalize and save the delivery trip. Your trip is now created and ready for execution. And there you have it. Creating a delivery trip in Parsimony is a simple and efficient process. Stay tuned for more tutorials on how to make the most of your Parsimony experience. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.